If you are here to get monetized, press this button. Before you upload your video, press this button. If you don't press these buttons, your video is not going to go viral. Are you part of the people that believe in all these critics, all these, I don't know what to call it, right? Stop being deceived by those channels that are telling you that your video isn't going viral because you refuse to turn some buttons on. Or all those things doesn't matter. Come closer, because in this video I want to open your eyes to the facts that you need to know to get your channel monetized and to get traffic on your channel. So let me take you on this journey with me. I call this YouTube monetization reality show, and this will be our day one on this show. Small YouTubers, small channel owners, get in here. This is your time, because this 2024, it is a must that your channel gets monetized. This 2024, it is a must that you get views, that you get engagement on your channels. Okay, let's just start with this. You see, don't be deceived. There is nothing in particular that will guarantee you going viral on YouTube or you getting your watch hour completed. Nothing. I mean it when I say nothing. So on this channel, I'm going to one of the videos that went viral on this channel, that got this channel monetized. The key to success on YouTube is your audience. As I've always told you, make sure you are working on your audience interest. Work based on your audience requirements. I've always told you that as a small YouTuber that is just coming up, make sure you are versatile in your first days. In the first few days, you have to be versatile because you wanted to discover the interest of your audience. Because that is the only thing that will guarantee you going viral on YouTube or getting your channel monetized or making your dream come true as a YouTuber. You have to make sure that you are working based on your audience interest. It is just as simple as that. Then leave the rest. Leave the rest for algorithm, leave the rest for YouTube. And be bold enough to express yourself while you are shooting your content. People, do not make your content bored. Don't let it get bored. Like when your audience watch your content, make sure it is really worth their time. Make sure they have one or two things to okay. For instance, let's talk about this crypto stuff of a thing. Do you know that crypto is not going to last? Like, so that your YouTube journey will not be like that of crypto, because people keep getting involved in cryptos and they are ending up listing dots, not rewarding their efforts, not rewarding the community. So hope your content isn't like that. Hope people are not getting bored. Hope people are not just watching without gaining anything in return. You see, these days on YouTube, on the streets of YouTube, people are busy. Small channels are coming up. They are coming up. Whether you like it or not, if you are consistent in what you are doing, you are going to make your money on YouTube. If you are consistent in what you are doing, your channel is going to get monetized unknowingly for you. You don't know which of your content will go viral, because you see, that's why you have to be versatile. You have to keep creating your content back to back. You have to keep creating different types of content, and the moment you notice and you know that yes, this is what your audience really wants, that is when you have to be stable on that aspect and keep posting back to back. Don't give up because you posted one or two videos and you are lucky enough one of your videos went viral, and from there your watch hours started increasing, from there your subscribers started increasing, you are hitting the jackpot. Then you decided to sleep on it. Do not sleep on it. You have to follow the trend as it is going on YouTube. In case you are watching for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. This is a reality show, as I've told you. This is unscripted. This is no, I didn't sit down and read for this. I want to take you through this journey based on experience and based on what I've practiced and what I've seen. This channel got monetized under 1K, as I've always told you. I don't know if you've watched the previous video, but let me tell you this. I will take you on this journey with me. Reality. This is YouTube reality show. Please share this out and make sure in the next video you are there to watch the next update. Thank you for joining me on the show today, and bye bye.